How fast does the Earth spin? Well, the Earth rotates once every 23 hours, 56 minutes, and 4 seconds. Its circumference is roughly 40,075 kilometers. That's 24,900 miles completely around. So the surface of the Earth at the equator moves at a speed of 460 meters a second, or roughly 1,000 miles per hour. So 24,900 miles in circumference times 1,000 miles per hour is what gives us our familiar day-night pattern as a 24-hour cycle. However, this time measurement we've been taking for granted throughout human history is temporary. In the long run, Earth's days will lengthen. For hundreds of millions of years, the moon's gravity has been exerting a pull on our planet, causing high tides and slowing down our spin. In fact, the difference between proto-Earth's days and modern days is quite different. When the Earth-Moon system formed 4.5 billion years ago, Earth spun much faster, making a day last only 4 hours. This slowing effect will continue, and our days will keep stretching out longer. If the humans are still around in 250 million years, we might finally get what we've always longed for, an extra hour in the day. Some say climate change could have an effect on the length of our days, especially through melting glacier ice, because massive amounts of water create bulges that didn't exist before and subtly alter the planet's spin rate. Of course, this is just a theory. In fact, the displacement of the seas has shifted our planet's axis eastward even beyond climate model predictions. When the weight distribution of any ball shifts, so does its rotational axis, the invisible central pole in which the ball spins, creating what's known as the Chandler wobble. Of course, so far, this video has only talked about the rotational speed of the Earth in a 24-hour period, but the Earth is hurtling through space at 67,000 miles per hour, and at that speed it takes 365 days, 1 year to make one full orbit around the Sun. Think about that. 67,000 miles per hour, and it still takes 1 year. That's a long distance to travel just once around the Sun. You know how you hear about meteor showers that will be especially easy to see for a week in the night sky? Well, if the Earth is moving at 67,000 miles per hour, the meteor field that it passes through is so big that it takes a week to go through it. That's a big meteor field. If you want something even crazier, the solar system and Earth and all, well, that's hurtling along at a whopping 490,000 miles an hour as our galaxy spins. I hope you've learned a little something that you didn't know. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video. Tap the notification bell. It really does help the YouTube algorithms a lot. Thank you very much.